5. Other than looking at his watch, what does Farmer Oak do to try to work out the time? Consider line 34 onwards, which says, "The stopping peculiarity of his watch Oak remedied by thumps and shakes." So, in other words, Farmer Oak thumps and shakes the watch to keep it going. And he escaped any evil consequences from the other two defects by constant comparisons with, and observations of, the sun and stars. So in other words, he avoids anything bad happening by, for example, being in the wrong place at the wrong time, by comparing the time shown on his watch with the time which he perceives from observations of the sun and the stars. This may mean that, for example, if the sun is at its highest point in the sky, then this is probably midday, and Farmer Oak could compare this to the time shown on his watch to see how accurate it was. Furthermore, we are also told that Farmer Oak was pressing his face close to the glass of his neighbour's windows till he could discern the hour marked by the green-faced timekeepers within. So apart from using the sun and the stars, he also double-checks the time by looking in through his neighbour's windows to check what their clocks say too. Your answer then may look a little bit like this. Farmer Oak relies on the position of the sun and the stars to try to work out the time. He compares the position of the sun or the stars to the time shown on his watch to discern how close it is to the actual time. He also tries to see the time by pressing his face against the neighbours' windows to check the time on their clocks.